video. It's the new year 2019. I'm ready and I'm prepared to take this YouTube journey of mine to the next level. I started out last year sometime, very heavy, and then I stopped. Life happens. So this is my very first unboxing of my ring light. I ordered one online. I actually ordered it off of Amazon. Excuse me, I'm just give you some details about it. The company name is Neewer. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's Neewer. And I ordered a 14-inch undimmable fluorescent ring light. I hope that doesn't hinder me any because it's I can't dim it. And it comes with the 400 watt 5500 kilowatt ring light, 75-inch light stand, and a hot shoe adapter for makeup and YouTube videos. So this is how it came. Right here. Again, I ordered it from Amazon. I did on Prime, so I got it in 2 days. Let's see what's in here. So, as of now, it has another box in it, which is this one right here. I'll take everything out and then I'm gonna open it with you guys. And then I have this little box here. And then this right here. I'm assuming this is the stand for it. So I'm gonna get rid of this box. Alright, let's open up the stand first. Let's see. And I'm going to show you the difference between, this light that I'm using now. This is a standard, just a regular house light, which I have behind my actual camera stand or my tripod. So, this is the stand. Like I said, it's 75 inches. So, let's open it up. I'm assuming I'm opening this up correctly. Why is it so hard? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure this out with you guys. Oh, okay. So, I'm gonna try unloosening it maybe first. Maybe. Okay, there we go. So, this is the stand. Again, it comes with where I can make it taller. So let's set this to the side. Where's the little box? This is the little box, and this is actually assuming this is the hot shoe adapter, for your camera. And it goes on the top of the tripod. So that goes on the top. Again, I have to figure out how to put this together. I'm not gonna do a full tutorial on how to put it together, but I will let you guys watch me as I'm putting it together. And then I'll show you the difference in the lighting at the end. Okay. And this box is the ring light, and it does come with the carrying case. That's it right here. And yes, I paid $59.99 for this. It had, more pricier ones, with more elaborate things that they can actually do, but I didn't think starting out that I really needed that, so I didn't get it. So it comes with this is just the customer letter right here, and then it comes with the actual instructions on how to put it together inside the box. And this is what it looks like in the inside. Like I said, the 14 inches. So I'm going to take all these little foam pieces out. And this is what it looks like right here. Really simple. I didn't need anything too extravagant. So I'm going to put it together now, and stay tuned, and I'll show you the difference in the lighting from this video to the next. Stay tuned. As you can see right here, you guys, I already put my stand up. There's nothing much to show with that. You can just unscrew they have like these little pieces on the side. Just unscrew it, unsnap it, and it makes it longer. So I just made the height enough just so you guys can see me within camera. But you see I'm struggling. I struggle for a little bit trying to put that ring light on, but I'm showing you how I can adjust it. It's already put on, as you can see. So now I'm about to plug it up. So again, this is the top piece that you put your camera or your phone on. Again, the struggle was real because at first I just put it in and it wasn't staying. It wasn't, giving me any kind of tightness or anything. So it was just like it could slip out. So I'm like, I could put my camera up here, it could just slip out. No, that can't be how it works. So I'm gonna fumble with it for a little bit and try to figure out what's going on with this ring light and why I can't put this on. So look at my face. The struggle. I'm trying to unloosen it because it has a tightener on it. At the beginning, I couldn't figure out how to tighten it, but eventually I figured it out. You guys. I figured it out.
Production.
Alright, you guys, I am finished. You can see the difference in the lighting. I will put a video or a screenshot of how the picture looked before my ring light and after my ring light. Look at that. I love this light. Again, this is the Neewer 14-inch undimmable, so I can't dim it. It did not come with the color changers as well, but I guess this is stuff that I can all order separately. Again, the lighting is a 400 watt by 5500 kilowatt ring light, 75-inch stand, which is great, and it came with the hot shoe adapter where you put your camera on. I also have some connectors from my actual camera and one of my other little tripods that, if I wanted to, I can hook up my cell phone to it. But this is what it looks like. Again, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button. Let me know if you want to see anything different from me this year. Like I said, it's going to be a whole nother year. I have a whole new look on things. I want to add more things to my channel. Stay tuned. Till next time, you guys.